Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for you. A lineup of cool tools that are about to make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools are game changers you won't want to miss. So, buckle up as we dive into cool tools you should know about. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because trust me, you're going to want to stay in the loop for these fantastic finds. Let's get started. At just $32, the TerraPump Terra Plunge offers quick solutions for clearing pipes without relying on household chemicals or traditional plungers. This innovative tool utilizes compressed air with the pressure up to 6 bar, effectively clearing both organic matter and debris, including napkins. The package comes with adapters, making it suitable for toilet bowls as well. Say goodbye to clogged pipes with this efficient and affordable plumbing companion. The digital angle finder is a handy addition for both amateurs and professionals. Boasting top-notch accuracy at plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this tool allows you to secure the desired angle for easy marking. Powered by a AAA battery, the LED display ensures clear data visibility in any lighting conditions. With rulers featuring millimeter and inch scales, this angle finder is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Designed with rail rotors in mind, the Simber TW18B cordless torque wrench is built to withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Priced at just $35, this powerful tool offers a maximum torque of 250 Newton meters for threaded connections. Weighing 14 kilograms, it's easy for a single worker to carry. The built-in color display allows easy adjustment of settings, and it even supports USB drivers for convenient work. Do you know how to get $120 for a chisel plane? Just make it smaller. The Optima chisel plane lets you work in tight spots where bigger ones won't fit. With a choice of handles at maple or cocobolo, the steel remains high quality with American A2 tool steel. This tool is a versatile and durable solution for precision work. Air conditioning and plumbing installers, listen up. The Rothenberger D-Burr is a compact, essential tool for working with copper and stainless steel pipes. Weighing only 400 grams, this D-Burr helps you expand holes up to 54 millimeters. Priced at $129, it's a small investment for big convenience. Tile work just got a whole lot easier thanks to the BodyPov Pulse. This vibrator ensures seamless tile laying, free from air bubbles. Powered by a 2 ampere-hour battery, it keeps wires out of the way. The suction cup feature lets workers effortlessly lift tiles weighing up to 25 kilograms. Plus, the uniquely shaped plate simplifies corner work. On construction sites worldwide, builders are relying on Rust-Oleum marking paint. Priced at $196, this quick-drying paint allows for fast-paced work, drying in about 5 minutes. It adheres seamlessly to asphalt, gravel, grass, and dirt, offering a versatile solution. With over 30 color options, customers have plenty to choose from. The standard M1400 can hold 482 grams of paint and covers more linear meters than many alternatives. Get a batch of 12 M1400 cans for $58. Every building deserves a stable foundation, and the creators of Stop Digging provide a solution. This screw pile system, developed in Sweden in 2012, eliminates the need for digging and the hassle of pouring concrete. Reusable and sustainable for year-round use, these piles have been successfully integrated into American building codes and come with a reliable 25-year warranty. Meet the HC1 and HC2 cutters, a seamless match for cordless drill grills. Ideal for slicing through 1.02 millimeter thick galvanized steel used for sheet metal work, these cutters boast a simple design with interchangeable parts and consumables. The HC1 punches holes from 51 to 305 millimeters in diameter, while the HC2 handles diameters up to 58 millimeters. Get the HC1 version for $67 and the HC2 version for $94. Putting up panels and siding is a weighty task, and these clamps make it easier in 2 ways at once. Firstly, they work as mini platforms for placing panels and sheets during the fastening process. Secondly, they ensure consistently even gaps. Get one clamp for $63. This screeding system is a handy tool for prepping surfaces for tiles, paving stones, lawns, and more. Even gardeners use it to level beds. The Level Fix series, chosen by the experts in the video, features models up to 3.1 meters wide. Not only can you adjust the width, but also the height. Get a Level Fix system with a working width of up to 1.25 meters for just $1,290. Spot the Weber VPR 450 and the VPR 700 in areas where tiles or paving stones are being installed. These machines tackle two issues simultaneously. First, they aid in filling joints, and second, by using vibrations, workers can delicately level even thin tiles without the worry of cracks or chips. The process is dust-free and efficient, as both models feature 5-horsepower Honda engines. The working widths are 42 and 67 inches. Here's a valuable addition to the toolkit of carpentry enthusiasts, the Craftsman Sureform Shaver. This rasp comes with snap-secured blades for easy replacement. Weighing just 45 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The standard kit includes a 10-centimeter wide curved blade, ideal for efficiently shaving corners. The entire kit is available for purchase at an innovative price of $10, making it an essential for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike. For painters looking to tidy up their paint rollers efficiently, the roller cleaner is the perfect tool. Start by using it as a scraper, then seamlessly switch to the roller cleaner function. This tool is handy for cleaning rollers up to 23 centimeters wide, and it's available for purchase at just $7. A small investment for a cleaner and more efficient painting process. Say goodbye to traditional light bulb cleaning methods with the Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. Professional users can now opt for a safer option with telescopic handles ranging from 1.2 to 6 meters in length. This device securely holds even compact fluorescent lamps with its interchangeable grips. You can get a set, including a 3.3 meter handle and 5 grips for $50. Upgrade your light bulb changing experience with this innovative kit. This spotlight is designed to brighten up your workspace efficiently. With a battery life of 4.5 hours, you can adjust the brightness from 1,500 to 5,000 lumens. The tripod extends to a height of 1.9 meters, providing versatility in lighting angles. Weighing 5.2 kilograms, this folding spotlight is a reliable companion for those in need of powerful and adjustable illumination. Introducing the Leister Vacuum Plate 300, a system designed for vacuum testing to detect leaks in roofing membranes. Compatible with materials like HCPE, vinyl, EPDM, and more, this system weighs 7.7 kilograms. The VariFlow valve enables precise regulations of vacuum pressure, making it possible to inspect even thin membranes. Let us know in the comments which tools you'd be most excited to try out. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow enthusiasts, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making things happen. See you in the next one.